Hi guys! I'm Barbs. A few days ago, nag-post ako sa Instagram account ko ng weight loss journey ko that happened a year ago, up until today, of course. And after nun, maraming nagtatanong sa akin, ano ba daw yung workout routine ko that helped me in achieving the body that I have today. And looking back, isa din to sa mga problema ko noon kasi one of the things na kailangan mong gawin for you to have a successful weight loss journey is to stick with the concept of consistency. And for you to be able to stick with this concept is to have a workout routine na na-enjoy mo, challenging, and gugustuhin mo siyang gawin ng paulit-ulit. Takal ko na tong concept na to on one of my videos, and kung gusto mo siyang mapanood, I will be putting the link of that video on the description box or somewhere around here. In losing weight, ito lang masasabi ko, hindi mo naman kailangan gayahin yung ginagawa ng iba, lalo na kung hindi naman siya healthy for your mind and body. Establish your goals, do your research, know your body, track your progress, and stick with it. Kung kailangan mo man ng tulong and you are curious about certain things, I am here to help you and guide you for you to be able to achieve the physical and mental state that you desire. Dahil dyan, itong video na to will be about how to make your own workout plan to have an effective weight loss journey. Pero bago ko simulan tong video na to, gusto ko lang magkaroon ng disclaimer na hindi ako professional or anything like that. I was just on the same shoes as you guys are today, and gusto ko lang makatulong based on my research and sa experiences ko. Sobrang basic lang to para madali nyong masundan at magawa nyo agad. So, ayun, kung gusto nyong pumayat at magkaroon kayo ng sarili nyong workout plan, please do keep on watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe para ma-motivate naman ako to do more. Before creating a workout plan, and make sure to identify your desired weight, body strength or functionality, and body measurements. In my case, ang mga nire-record ko on my journal ay yung arms, legs, bust area, waistline, belly, and lower belly area ng katawan ko. You may also include other weight loss goals na hindi ko pa na-mention. Totally up to you. Measure yourself at least once a week. It's not really healthy for your mind in measuring your body daily kasi paiba-iba yung katawan natin araw-araw. Baka ma-disappoint ka lang and akalain na you're not improving when in fact, you are. Also, tip lang, measure yourself pagkagising mo kasi wala pang laman yung tiyan natin. And walang makaka-apekto kung madadagdagan man yan throughout the day kasi kakain pa tayo, magbo-bloat pa tayo, and natural. I also recommend na magkikip ka ng journal notebook. Kahit simple lang, wag na yung mamahalin. Next is ask yourself kung gaano katagal yung willing kang i-commence sa isang workout session. And kung ilang beses mo siyang gustong gawin sa isang linggo. 1 hour is great. 30 minutes is a job well done. 10 minutes is just enough. 0 minutes is something you should think about unless it's a rest day. Work out at least 3 times a week and isync mo yung workout plan mo according to your lifestyle. Gumawa rin ako ng mga workout template na baka gusto nyo ring i-adapt and makatulong sa inyo. Pwede nyong bagu-baguhin yung araw, depende again sa lifestyle na meron ka. Rest days are important. I would recommend twice or thrice a week. Let your muscles rest, otherwise your hard work won't be effective at all. Next is identify what kind of workouts will you do for a whole workout plan. Full body workout ba or split workout? Cardio ba or weight training? Full body workout is where you target lahat ng muscle group ng katawan mo. Kamay, hita at tiyan. While in split workout ay magkahiwalay na ine-exercise mo sa iba't ibang araw ang upper body and lower body muscle mo para mabigyan ng panahon na makapagpahinga yung muscles mo. I will not be putting an in-depth discussion about it on this video, but I will notify you if I do make one. Cardio are recommended to everyone who wants to burn the most calories in a specific time. However, importante din ang weight training in losing weight dahil nakakapagpa-burn ito ng calories even at rest and improves a person's metabolism.
You could do both or separately on other days.
Ngayon, alamin mo kung ano yung workout na gusto mo gawin according to your weight loss goal. Kung gusto mo bang pumayat, or maging mas malakas, or mag-build ng muscle, papapalis yung metabolism mo. Always do your research para ma-achieve mo successfully yung goals mo. Personally, lalo na ngayong wala tayong access sa gym dahil nga kung naka-quarantine tayo, I love doing HIIT workouts kasi, for example, in a 20 minutes, okay ka na, you burn so much calories, even after working out, you're still burning so much calories, even at rest. Gumawa ulit ako ng another workout template na baka gusto mo ring itry and i-apply sa workout plan mo. Although, itong mga workout plan na to, hindi ito yung most perfect. Again, hindi ako professional. Ito yung workout plan na gusto ko lang i-target lahat ng muscles ko and then improve yung sarili ko sa mga iba't ibang workout.
After that, know the workouts you will do each day.
Kung wala kang personal trainer katulad ko at wala kang access sa gym, maraming video sa YouTube na pwede mong gawin. Lahat yan effective. It's just a matter of how much effort are you going to exert on every workout session that you are going to do. Or, mas maganda kung meron kang personal trainer para mas mag-guide ka sa kung ano dapat yung gagawin mong workout. Tapos mo na yung workout plan mo. Yan na yun. Kung ano man yung nagawa mo, just track your progress, and kung sa tingin mo hindi effective yung isang workout na linagay mo for that day, then change it para mas mapa-improve mo pa yung sarili mo. Kung may mga araw ka man na hindi mo nagawa yung workout mo, okay lang yan, hindi pa magugunaw ang mundo. Pwede mong gawin yan on the next day, tapos palitan mo na lang yung rest day mo ng training day, yung mga ganon. Ikaw bahala kung ano yung sa tingin mong mas mapapanatag at sa tingin mo na magagawa mo yung weight loss journey mo successfully. So, ayun, kapag natapos mo yung mga workout mo dun sa workout plan mo, measure mo yung sarili mo. Tapos, makikita mo na yung difference since day 1. Kung wala man, okay lang yan. Ibig sabihin, kailangan mo pang i-exertan ng effort. Okay lang yan. Hindi ibig sabihin titigil ka na. Okay? So, sana natulungan ko kayo. And, sana nakagawa kayo ng workout routine na talaga nga namang alam nyong papayat kayo o kung ano, or lalakas kayo o kung ano man yung goal mo ngayon. So, yun. Kung nagustuhan mo tong video na to, like and subscribe. Again, I'm Barbs. Bye-bye!